हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आदित्य फाइनेंशियल इनसाइट। तो गाइस, इस वीडियो में आज का एनआईएसएम 15 रिसर्च एनालिस्ट सर्टिफिकेशन एग्जामिनेशन के कोर्स में आपका स्वागत है। तो यह सेकेंड लेक्चर है गाइस, जिसमें कि हम चैप्टर नंबर 2 इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ सिक्योरिटी मार्केट के बारे में अध्ययन करेंगे। तो शुरू में क्या रिसर्च एनालिस्ट का प्रोफेशनल क्या है, कैसा काम करता है, उस पर हमने देखा था। हम सेकेंड लेक्चर में सिक्योरिटी मार्केट यानी जो किसी भी कंट्री का एक सिक्योरिटी मार्केट होता है, जिसमें कि यानी उसको स्टॉक मार्केट भी बोला जाता है। तो जो उसका मॉनिटरिंग करता है वो इसमें पढ़ेंगे। तो देखते हैं क्या क्या इसमें पढ़ने का है। तो आफ्टर स्टडी पढ़ने के बाद आपको क्या क्या सीखने को मिलेगा, जिसमें कि आप देख सकते हैं मीनिंग ऑफ सिक्योरिटी एंड फंक्शन ऑफ सिक्योरिटी मार्केट, various kind of product in security market, the structure of security market, activity of security market participants, various security market transaction, and remetallize of security market, demetallize and remetallize। तो देखेंगे आगे क्या क्या इसमें है, डिमेटल रिमेटलाइज क्या होता है। तो शुरुआत करते हैं वन बाय वन। तो सबसे पहले गाइस हम लोग शुरुआत करते हैं, ग्रीन कलर चेंज कर लेते हैं। तो इंट्रोडक्शन टू सिक्योरिटी एंड सिक्योरिटी मार्केट। सिक्योरिटी मतलब किसी चीज का एक प्रावधान किया जाता है जिसमें कि आपको इसमें सुरक्षित मिलेगा, जो सिक्योरिटी हो गया। सिक्योरिटीज आर द ट्रांसफरेबल फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स or contract that show evidence of independence of ownership interest in asset of the unincorporated entities. These include equity shares, preference shares, debenture, bonds, and other instruments. These are issued by company, financial institution, or the government. They are purchased by the investor who have money to invest. Security ownership allows investors to convert their saving into financial assets, which provide a return. On the other hand, security issuance allow borrower to raise money at a cost. Thus, the objective of the issue and the investor are complementary. Raising fund through issue of the security also allow the investor of the transfer their rights interest to other without impacting the issuer. Thus, security also provide a mechanism for the issue to raise money for long term while providing an opportunity to the investor to exit. The efficacy of security in allowing movement of the capital is achieved through an efficient securities market that allow investor and seller to buy and sell security. Security market bring together a large number of buyers and sellers, thus creative liquidity make it easy to buy and sell security at close to market price. These markets help in transfer of resource from those with ideal and surplus resource to others who have productive need for them. To state firmly, securities market provided channel for conversion of saving into investment. Through security market, a broader universe of serves with surplus to invest in invest is available to the issue of security and universe of wider option is available to saver to invest in their money. Broadly staying, financial market consists of investor, provider of fund, buying of security। तो देख सकते हैं इसमें पूरा डायग्राम के साथ दिखाया गया है। The borrower and seeker of fund, seller of security market, intermediary provide the infrastructure to facilitate transfer of fund and security. As a brokerage firm हो जाएगा। Regulatory body responsible for orderly development of the market। तो गाइस देख सकते हैं इसमें क्या क्या फाइनेंशियल मार्केट के अंतर्गत में। तो सबसे देख सकते हैं सबसे पहला शुरुआत फंड, सब तो फंड ही है, मार्केट में जाएगा तो फंड ही जाएगा। डायरेक्ट फाइनेंस है इसमें। सरप्लस इनकम क्या क्या है, हाउस होल्ड, बिजनेस फर्म, गवर्नमेंट, फॉरेनर्स, जो गया फाइनेंशियल इंटरमीडियरी में, जो इनडायरेक्ट फाइनेंस है। ठीक, फिर फाइनेंशियल इंटरमीडियरी से फंड गया डिफिसिट इनकम यूनिट में, बिजनेस फर्म हो गया, गवर्नमेंट हो गया, हाउस होल्ड हो गया, फॉरेनर हो गया। तो ये चक्र है, साइकिल, जो एक फंड से दूसरे फंड में जा रहा है। फाइनेंशियल इंटरमीडियरी से घूम के फाइनेंशियल मार्केट में भी जाता डायरेक्ट, या इंटरमीडियरी से भी जाता है। तो ये हमारा साइकिल है गाइस। द टर्म सिक्योरिटी हैज बीन डिफाइंड इन द सेक्शन 2 of the Security Contract Regulation Act 1990 56 SCRA. The term security includes shares, scrapes, stocks, bond, debenture stocks, or other marketable security of a like nature in or any in or of any incorporated company, a pooled investment vehicle, other body corporate derivatives, units or any other instrument issued by any collective investment scheme to the investor in such a scheme. Security receipt as defined as clauses of Section 2 of the Scrutinize and Reconstruction of Financial Asset Enforcement of Security Interest Act 2002, units or any other such instrument issued to the investor under any mutual fund scheme. Explanation for the removal of doubts. It is hereby declared that securities shall not include any unit, linked insurance policy, a scrip, or any such instrument or unit, whatever name called, which provides a combined benefit risk on the life, the person and investment by such person and issue by an insurance referred to and clause section 2 Insurance Act 1938 and 1938, units or any other instrument issued by the pooled investment vehicle, any certificate or instrument, whatever name called, issued to an investor by issue being a special purpose distinct entity which possesses any debt or receivable including mortgage debt assigned to such entity, acknowledging beneficial interest, such investor in such debt or receivable including mortgage debt as the case may be. गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटीज क्या है? Such other security as may be declared by the central government to be security, raised of interest in security, electronic gold receipt are declared as security by the Gazette notification date the 24 December 2021. Electronic gold receipt means an electronic receipt issued on the basis of deposit of underlying physical gold in accordance with an regulation made by the Security and Exchange Board of India under Section 31 and said Act. The investor in the Indian securities market have a wide choice of financial products to choose from depending upon their risk appetite, return expectation. Broadly, the financial products can be categorized as equity, debt, derivative product. We shall learn more about this security in details in the next section. Product definition and terminology. Product definition and terminology. There are many financial instruments issued in the market, each with distinct risk and return characteristics that define it suitable for an investor. In this section, we shall explore the major instruments available in the Indian security market: equity shares issued by the company or issuers, investor institutional FPI, FI, DII, individual retailer HNI. मीडियम क्या है? डायरेक्ट इशुएंस बाय द कंपनी एंड स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. रेगुलेटरी में क्या है? सेबी है रेगुलेटरी अंडर द कंपनी एक्ट. इक्विटी शेयर रिप्रेजेंट from a fractional ownership in business venture. Equity shareholders collectively own the company. They bear the risk and enjoy rewards of the ownership. डिवेंचर एंड बॉन्ड्स एंड नोट्स. डिवेंचर बॉन्ड्स एंड नोट्स में क्या है? इशूड बाय द कंपनी, गवर्नमेंट, स्पेशल पर्पस व्हीकल एंड अदर इशू. इन्वेस्टर इंस्टीट्यूशनल एंड इंडिविजुअल. मीडियम क्या है? डायरेक्ट इशुएंस बाय इशूअर्स एंड स्टॉक एक्सचेंज इफ लिस्टेड. रेगुलेटरी क्या है? आरबीआई, सेबी है एंड रेगुलेटरी अंडर कंपनी एक्ट. तो ये सब हैं डिवेंचर के अंतर्गत. डिवेंचर बॉन्ड्स नोट्स आर इंस्ट्रूमेंट फॉर द रेजिंग लॉन्ग टर्म डेप्थ. डिवेंचर आर आइदर unsecured or secured by the collateral support in nature. There are variety of debenture bonds such as fully convertible, non-convertible, and partially convertible debenture. This could be in domestic as well as foreign currency. Fully convertible debenture are fully convertible into fully convertible debenture are fully convertible into ordinary shares of the issuing company. The term of conversion are specified at the time of issue itself. Partially convertible debenture are partially convertible into ordinary share of the issuing company under specified term and condition as specified at the time of issue itself. Non-convertible parties debenture is redeemed as happened in any other vanilla debenture. Non-convertible debenture क्या है? Are the pure debt instrument without the feature of conversion. The NCD are repayable, redeemable, or maturity. Thus, debenture can be pure debt or quasi-equity. As this case may be, we would discuss about these types of section 2.2, 2.7 further details. Further, short-term debt instruments are used to raise debt for periods not exceeding 1 year. These instruments including treasury bill issued by the government, commercial paper issued by the company, certificate of deposit issued by the bank. Foreign currency bond क्या है? Issued by the company, government, a special purpose vehicle, investor, institutional and individual. Medium direct issuance by the issue and stock exchange. Regulator in the respective country of the issue. Foreign currency bonds are bonds issued by the company in currency that are different from the currency of the home country. For example, in February 2020, Delhi International Airport Limited, an SPV of GMR Infrastructure issued a USD bond. This could also be feature of conversion into share if needs based on preference of the issuer and investors. Company in emerging market may prefer to issue bonds in USD of currency of the other economical matured country as they carry significantly lower interest rates. However, this bond creates significant foreign currency risk of the issuer in case of the foreign currency of the issue of the bond appreciate against the local currency. The issuer will need higher amount of local currency to repay the loan. External bond and masala bond. External bond क्या है? Issued by the company, government, a special purpose vehicle. Investor क्या क्या institutional individual, direct issuance by the issuers and a stock exchange. Regulatory अपनी respective country of the issue. Regulatory हर एक country अपना अपना करता है गाइस. तो देख सकते हैं external bond also referred as euro bonds and bond issued by in currency that different from the currency of the country in which it is issued. For example, if company issue US dollar denominated bond in Kuwait, it will be referred as a euro bond as the currency of the bond USD is different from currency of the country in which it is issued by the Kuwait dinar. External bond denominated in the Indian rupees are referred as a masala bond. एक्सटर्नल डिनोमिनेटेड इन इंडियन रुपीज, अगर एक्सटर्नल बॉन्ड है जो डिनोमिनेटेड करता है इंडियन रुपीज में तो हो गया मसाला बॉन्ड में, और जो कोई भी कंट्री अपना ही कंट्री का कर रहा है तो वो हो जाएगा आपका करेंसी ऑफ द बॉन्ड, करेंसी विच कुवैती दिनार, तो अगर नॉर्मल बॉन्ड में हो गया. These bonds are issued outside of India but are denominated in Indian rupees. Masala bond were issued for the first time in November 2014 by the International Finance Corporation and by listed on the London Stock Exchange. As against foreign currency bond, which create currency risk for the issuers in the case of masala bond. Currency risk is borne by the investor since the bond are denominated in INR. If INR depreciated against the currency of the country of issue, the amount received by the investor will be less in their local currency term. तो वारंट्स एंड कन्वर्टेबल वारंट्स क्या है? वारंट्स एंड कन्वर्टेबल वारंट्स में क्या पढ़ते हैं? जैसे कोई कंपनी जब लोन पे करता है तो वारंट्स पे करता है. इशू बाय द कंपनी, इन्वेस्टर इंस्टीट्यूशनल इंडिविजुअल, डायरेक्ट इश्यूएंस बाय द कंपनी एंड स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, एंड रेगुलेटरी क्या होता है? सेबी. जैसे इस कुछ समय पहले न्यूज आया था यूएस को वारंट्स में उसको कुछ छूट दिया गया था, तो कुछ शेयर को वारंट रखा गया था तो यही से रिलेटेड कुछ न्यूज आया था। वारंट्स आर ऑप्शन द एंटिटी entitle an investor to buy equity share of the issuer company after a specific time period at a predetermined price. Only a few companies in Indian security market have issued warrant till now. तो बताया था, तो उसमें कुछ शेयर था जिसमें कि वारंट इशू से हटाया गया था। The indices क्या है गाइस? A market index tracks the market movement by using price of a specific number of shares chosen as a representative sample. Most leading indices are weighted by the market capitalization to take into account the fact more the number of shares issued greater the number of portfolio in which they may be sold. Stock including an index are also quite liquid, making it possible for investors to replicate the index at a low cost. Narrow indices are usually made up the most actively trade equity share in the exchange. Other indices to track section of the market cap category are also in use. Most widely tracked indices in India are NSE Nifty 50, S&P BSE Sensex and MSCI SX 40. The S&P Sensex has been computed as the market cap weighted index 30 chosen stock on BSE. The SX 40 composed of 40 most representative stocks listed on the Metropolitan Stock Exchange of India. MSCIL and Nifty 50 is composed of 50 most representative stocks listed on National Stock Exchange. The shares included in these indices are chosen on the basis of factors such as liquidity, availability of the floating stock, and size of the market capitalization. The company of stocks in the index is reviewed and modified from time to time. The index representative of underlying market. Some of the other common indices in listed Nifty Next 50, Nifty 100, Nifty 500, S&P BSE 100, S&P BSE 100 500, S&P BSE Mid Cap, S&P BSE Small Cap। तो ये कुछ आपके इंडाइसेस हैं और भी हैं। These are also sector indices of banking, informative technology, pharma, fast-moving consumer goods, and such other sectors created by the exchange of enable tracking specific sector। तो हर एक सेक्टर वाइज का होता है गाइस, तो मैंने बोला इसके अलावा भी। The major use of indices are the index can give comparison to return of investment in a stock market as opposed to asset classes such as gold and debt. For the comparison of performance with an active equity fund portfolio, a stock market index can be benchmark the performance of the economy or any sector of the economy in the country is indicated by the index. Real-time market sentiments are indicated by the indices. Indices act as underlying for the index fund, index future option। म्यूचुअल फंड यूनिट्स क्या है? म्यूचुअल फंड यूनिट में देखते हैं इशू बाय द म्यूचुअल फंड, इन्वेस्टर इंस्टीट्यूशनल इंडिविजुअल दोनों हो सकते हैं। डायरेक्ट इशू बाय द म्यूचुअल फंड एंड स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, रेगुलेटरी सेबी। Mutual funds are invested vehicles that pool together the money contributed by the investors, which the fund invested in portfolio of security that reflect common investment objective of the investor. Each investor share is represented by the unit issued by the fund. The value of units called the net asset value changes continuously to reflect changes in the value of portfolio held by the fund. Mutual fund scheme can be classified as open-ended and closed-ended. An open-ended scheme offers the investor an option to buy units from the fund at any time and sell the units back to fund at any time. These schemes do not have any fixed maturity period. The unit can be bought, sold anytime at the NAV linked price. The unit capital up to closed-ended funds in fixed. They sell a specific number of units. Units of closed-ended funds can be bought or sold in the stock market where they are mandatory list. Exchange traded fund issued by the mutual fund, institutional and individual. Direct issuance by the mutual fund and stock exchange. Regulatory SEBI. एक्सचेंज ट्रेड फंड ETF एक्सचेंज ट्रेड फंड है जो कि हर एक एक्सचेंज के पास होता है। एन इन्वेस्टमेंट व्हीकल दैट इन्वेस्टेड फंड पुल्ड by the investor to track an index commodity gold basket of assets. It is similar to the index fund in this sense that it is a portfolio reflected index it track but unlinked. Unlike an index fund, the unit of ETF are listed and traded independent from the stock exchange. Their price change continuously to reflect changes in the index commodity price. ETF provided a diversification benefit of index fund as well as the facility to sell and buy to real-time prices even on unit of fund. Since ETF is passively managed portfolio, its expense ratio are typically lower than that of a mutual fund scheme. Hybrid structure product. Preference share क्या है guys? The preference share, as their name indicate, a special kind of equity share which have preference over a common ordinary equity share at the time of dividend, at the time of repayment of the capital, in events of winding up company. They have some feature of equity and some feature of debt instrument. Preference share resemble equity as preference shareholder are called shareholder of a company, not creditors. Payment to them in term as dividend and the same in paid by the profit after tax, and dividend payment is not an obligation unlike interest. However, unlike common equity shares, preference shares do not carry voting rights or right over the residual asset of the company. तो जिनके पास भी प्रेफरेंस शेयर होता है गाइस, उनको वोटिंग करने का अधिकार नहीं होता इन केस वाइंडिंग अप. Preference share resemble debt instrument because they offer predetermined rate of dividend and that this dividend is payable before any dividend is paid on common equity. Further, in case of winding up, the shareholders have preference over the common equity holders at the time of distribution of the both earning and asset. These are There are variety of preference share minus cumulative unpaid dividend is carried forward. Non-cumulative unpaid dividend lapse convertible partially or fully. Convertible debenture bonds क्या है? Convertible debenture and bonds क्या है? Convertible debenture are debt instrument that can be converted into equity shares of the company at a future date. This security also has feature of both debt and equity. It pays periodic coupon interest just like any other debt instrument till conversion and a predefined time. This debt instrument may get converted into equity share. These debenture may be different kind. Fully convertible debenture, where the entire face value of the debenture is converted into equity share. Partially converted debenture, partially convertible debenture, where a portion of debenture is converted into equity. The non-convertible portion continue to remain as debenture earn interest income and get repaid or redemption. Optionally convertible debenture क्या है? Optionally convertible debenture are convertible into equity shares at discretion of the debenture holders who may choose to convert them into equity. Continue to hold the instrument as a debt depending on their desire and term of conversion. The issuer specifies the details of the conversion at the time of making the issue itself. This will generally include date on which or before which is conversion may be made, ratio of conversion, number of shares that investor will be eligible to get for each debenture, price at which the shares will be allotted to the investor on conversion. Usually, this is at a discount to marketplace price, proportion of the debenture that will be converted into equity share in case of partially convertible debenture. The advantage to the issue of convertible debenture lie in the fact that convertible debenture usually have a lower coupon rate than pure debt instrument. This is because the yield to the investor in such debenture in not from coupon alone but also possibility of the capital appreciation in the investment once the debenture are converted into equity shares. Moreover, the issuer does not have to repay the debt on the maturity since shares are issued in lieu of repayment. The disadvantage to this is that the stake of the existing shareholder get diluted when fresh shares are issued on conversion. As more shareholders come in, the proportionate holding of existing shareholder fall. The investor in convertible debenture have the advantage of equity debt feature. They earn coupon income in the initial stage, usually when the company project is in the nascent stage, and once the debenture is converted into shares, they may be benefit from appreciate in the value of the share. The Indian Depository Receipt, Global Depository Receipt, and American Depository Receipt. क्या है इस देखते हैं. Depository receipt are financial instrument that represent share of foreign company. These depository receipt trade in the local market in which it is issued and denominated in the local currency. The process of issuance depository receipt in follow. A company on investor delivery a specific quantity of equity share to bank. The bank places the security in custodian account in the country where the company is domiciled. The bank then issues a certificate depository receipt against such shares to investors in the overseas market. If the issuing company in one that delivered the security and initiate the process, it is referred as a sponsorship depository receipt. They can be listed in the exchange of the country in when the DR created and issue. Company that want their DR to be listed should apply for listing and should comply with the all listing requirements. On the other hand, if the shares are delivered by an investor, they are referred as unsponsored depository receipt. Typically, unsponsored DR are not allowed to be traded in the stock exchange. They can be traded only OTC market. They also have less regulatory requirement. DR may feature two-way fungibility subject to regulatory provision of the country involved. This means that share can be bought in the local market, converted into DR to be traded in the foreign market. Similarly, DR can be bought and converted into the underlying shares which are traded on the domestic market exchange. Indian companies are permitted to raise foreign currency resource in the form of issue of the ordinary equity shares through the depository receipt. Foreign companies are also allowed to raise equity capital from the Indian through IDR. SEBI has laid down the guideline to be followed by company of IDRs. This includes the limits on the money raised by the company in India, 1 year locked in one conversion of IDR into shares, the availability of IDRs to only resident Indian investors, several stock exchanges around the world allowing trading in depository receipt of a foreign company. This depository receipt can be specified to country, can be traded across the multiple countries. In case of GDRs, some country-specific depository receipts include American Depository Receipt. These depository receipts issued and traded in USA that are issued by the non-USA company. अमेरिकन डिपॉजिटरी रिसीव है जो कि अमेरिका में जारी किया जाता है और भी नन अमेरिकन कंपनी के लिए एडीआर one of the most popular depository receipt and many companies across the world have issued ADR. Some of the Indian companies that have issued ADR include Infosys, Wipro, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank. American exchange have allowed ADR since the earlier part of 20th century. Thus, it thus most evolved market. Indian depository receipt क्या है? DR issue that are trade in the Indian market for a non-Indian company refer to IDR, Indian Depository Receipt में depository receipt to a standard chartered bank are traded in the Indian stock market or IDR. Hong Kong depository receipt में क्या is the same line to Hong Kong में आपका इशू होगा नन हांगकांग कंपनी के लिए उसका ग्लोबल डिपॉजिटरी इशू में होता है GDRs. This refers to depository receipts that are allowed to be traded in more than one country. Typically, GDR are preferred to by the issuing European Union member state commonality of the regulatory marks it easy for the issuing company to comply with the regulatory across the region. The company whose shares are traded DR gets wider investor base from international market. Investor in the international market get invested in shares of the company that may get otherwise have been unable to because several restrictions or administration issue. Investors get to invest international stocks through the domestic exchange where their existing broker and local currency holding DR gives investors the right to dividend capital appreciation from the underlying share but no voting rights. तो गाइस में वोटिंग राइट्स नहीं होता डीआर में. However, the issue of voting rights to DR holder is under consideration of Xavier de Perrin. Foreign currency convertible bond. Foreign currency FCCB. Foreign currency foreign currency convertible bond. Foreign currency convertible bonds are foreign currency usually dollar denominated convertible debt paper issued by the company international market. These instruments are to be understood way convertible with only difference that is generally optional convertible and issued offshore in the different denominated under the guidelines as defined Reserve Bank of India from time to time. The payment of interest, repayment of principal, it happens on the bond in the foreign currency. However, one conversion of instrument happens in equity. Dividend is paid Indian rupees with the conversion obligation currency risk with the investor. FCC foreign conversion currency bond are regulated by the RBI notification under the Foreign Exchange Management. The issue of foreign currency convertible bond and ordinary share through the depository receipt mechanism in 1993 lay down the guidelines such issue. इक्विटी लिंक डिवेंचर क्या है तो देखते हैं गाइस कितना है इस चैप्टर में भी. अच्छा है. इक्विटी लिंक डिवेंचर तो गाइस हम लोग यहाँ तक कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. देखते हैं कहाँ तक होता है. तो 33 मिनट का तो हो चुका है. तो ठीक है गाइस, अब हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे इक्विटी लिंक डिवेंचर में. तो हम यहाँ पर एंड कर रहे हैं. आधा घंटा हो गया, ज़्यादा लॉन्ग हो जाता है गाइस, तो उसमें लोगों को देखने में भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं आता और थोड़ा बोझ की तरह भी लगता है. तो हम यहाँ पर सेवा समाप्त करते हैं. हम आगे भी देखेंगे. ये सेकेंड लेक्चर है गाइस. तो थैंक यू.